India's railway stations have been a crucial part of the nation's transport network, connecting cities, towns, and villages across its vast landscape. Over the past 5 years, these stations have undergone significant transformations under the Union government's Amrit Bharat Station scheme. So let's have a look at these iconic stations. The New Delhi railway station, one of the busiest in India, is being redeveloped into a world class transport hub. The plan includes modern passenger amenities and improved platforms. Once completed, the station will offer better connectivity, enhanced parking spaces, and a seamless travel experience. The redevelopment is guided by an approved master plan and design, aiming to accommodate a daily footfall of around 5 lakh passengers. Key features include two 6-floor signature domes, separate arrival and departure areas, and 2.2 lakh square meters of floor space. Next, we have Andheri Station in Mumbai. A critical part of the city's suburban network is also undergoing upgrades. These include expanding platform capacity, modernizing ticket counters, and adding more escalators. These changes aim to ease passenger flow and improve overall efficiency. Next, in West Bengal, Malda Town Station is receiving updates focused on better waiting areas, modern lighting, and improved sanitation facilities. With a budget of 45.5 crore, the project covers 12,000 square meters, introducing new elevators, escalators, and enhanced flooring. Then we have Gorakhpur Station, home to the world's longest railway platform, which is preserving its legacy while adding modern touches. The Railway Board has approved 618 crore remodeling project. Key features include enhanced digital displays, new seating arrangements, and a 6,300 square meter concourse to manage large crowds. Then we have Gandhinagar Capital Station, which has been redeveloped with a futuristic design, including a 5-star hotel integrated into its structure. This project, costing 790 crore rupees, is a joint venture between the Gujarat government and the Ministry of Railways. Of the total expenditure, 71.5 crore was allocated for station redevelopment. Moving on, we have Rani Kamlapati Station, formerly known as Habibganj Station, which has been redeveloped at a cost of 440 crore on a public-private partnership model. The station features modern architecture, solar power systems, water recycling facilities, and energy-efficient lighting. Then we have Varanasi Junction, which has seen extensive upgrades to manage high passenger volumes. Enhanced platforms, better lighting, and improved sanitation facilities have transformed the station. A budget of 2,642 crore has been allocated to enhance multimodal connectivity along the Varanasi Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay Junction route, including new railway lines and a rail-cum road bridge. Moving on, Guwahati Station is the first in the northeast to be fully solar powered with modern design elements and eco-friendly initiatives. This aligns with Assam's natural heritage and sets a benchmark for future projects in the region. Patna Junction has undergone significant modernization, including high-speed Wi-Fi, escalators, and a large waiting hall with a seating capacity of over 300 passengers. Additional amenities include digital screens displaying entertainment and train information. Last but not the least, we have Pune Junction, which is set for expansion with a proposal to add 4 new platforms and provide additional express train stoppages. This is aimed at reducing congestion and enhancing the station's capacity. With these comprehensive upgrades, India's railway stations are evolving from mere transit points to a symbol of progress, offering travelers improved convenience, safety, and connectivity. For more such stories, keep watching the Indian Express.